here's my bump check, baby bump check, baby bump check. And you know what they say? They say that mothers get this instinct in the last part of pregnancy where they want to nest and clean their house. Can that instinct come now? Because when I was looking at vlog ideas, y'all, I was looking at vlog ideas to just have an idea. All of them so fucking aesthetic. I can't do it. Maybe because I'm not used to it, but also my breath is tired. But also I feel like, I don't know, that's not how I live every day. Like, it's not, so. All right, y'all. It is week 19 of my pregnancy. So while I got more energy and doing stuff, I'm like, okay, let me film an update. Let me film a vlog. And also, I need to clean this house. This house is a mess. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to do a vlog, take y'all with me while I do a little bit of cleaning until I need a break. Okay? Because I'll be getting so tired. And while I'm doing all that, just give y'all an update on how the second trimester is going so far, what's to come. So, you know, I'm excited, I guess. First time mom vlog chronicles. Okay, so like the room's a mess, so I don't want to hear it. I already know the room is a mess, okay? Okay, here's my bump check, baby bump check, baby bump check. Here's my bump. Let me step closer. Oh my gosh, y'all. I have a whole baby bump. At first, it just looked like I was fat. But no, I look pregnant here. I look pregnant, y'all. Like, I really do. I'm pregnant, oh my gosh. It's kind of cute. Kind of cute when you think about it. Okay. So first, I think I'm going to start with the bedroom. Because I've been meaning to try to clean that up and get that together. So I need to wash some clothes. Try to make the bed back up. I'm gonna do as much as I can on this vlog, and whatever I don't finish, I'll just have to do off camera, I guess. But yeah, I guess let's chat. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Keke and welcome to KekeChronicles. This is my second YouTube channel. This is a lifestyle channel where I talk about pretty much anything I want to talk about in my life, but it's pretty much mostly centered around positivity, wellness, fibromyalgia, which is a chronic pain condition that I unfortunately suffer from. But I do have videos. I have a whole playlist about it if you want to know more about it and how I'm dealing with it being young and being in my 30s. And then, yeah, that's it, I guess. My main channel is Plannerzoid. So if you like junk journaling, stationery planners, and just overall silliness, then definitely check out my main channel. It's fun over there. Many people like it. But this one's more chill. Different vibe. It's more chill. It's more, I mean, that channel is me for sure, but this is like a more different side of me of like day to day. So I'm actually glad that I'm feeling a little bit better, right? Because I don't know if you've seen my previous upload, which was just a quick update of my first trimester. My first trimester was hell, okay? First trimester was hell. Glad it's over. This trimester is a little bit better, but it's like the first trimester I was dealing with a lot of like nausea and like fatigue, but mostly nausea. And then this trimester, the second trimester, I'm dealing with fatigue and pain. That's the biggest thing. Like, it did make my fibromyalgia feel worse, but also the fatigue is out of this world. Like, I'm so fucking tired, okay? Like, yesterday, I had to stay in bed all day. Like, that's how bad it was. So, I'm like, today I'm a little bit better, doing a little bit more. So, I'm like, film while I can. Okay, so I am 19 weeks, y'all. I am 19 weeks pregnant, and I have to say, it still feels surreal to me because never in my life, and it's so funny because I just like Talk to my brother about it. I just talked to my brother about it, okay? Like, never in my life did I envision that I was going to become a mother. Okay? I'm gonna be honest. I don't hate kids. I just never saw myself having kids. But nature took its course. And I'm doing what I gotta do to handle it. So right now I'm just trying to, because I need to wash some clothes. These are clean. Yeah, all of this is clean, so needs to be put away. I'm trying to take all the dirty clothes, need to go in the wash machine. All of that is clean. I just need to put it away. Stop being lazy, put it away. Well, I'm not lazy, y'all. I be tired. You know what? I also never envisioned that I'll be at home either. Can I be real? I never envisioned that I'll be at home. And I don't have a problem with it, you know? Because I do what I gotta do and times are happening. Like, when I tell you I spent over a year applying to jobs, I'm either overqualified, underqualified, or they just don't want me, okay? Or they just don't want me. You know what I'm saying? Because of the way the economy and all that stuff is going, like, it's crazy. But I've really been honing in on my content creation, and my husband has really been extremely supportive. So, you know, I have to show a lot of gratitude. I'm definitely grateful. And now that I'm bringing a new bundle of joy into the world, you know, it definitely makes me a lot more grateful and able to hone in on what I need to do and my role and and whatever else goes with it. I'm still learning. So I'm actually excited because next week, if this video goes out as soon as I want it to go out, but it needs to go out because I told myself that I was going to put more content on this channel. I want my lifestyle channel to work. So like I said, I was gonna put more content on this channel, but look at my husband on the way out. Anyway. I'm like, why is it hanging off the basket? He could have just put it in the basket. But anyways, so in 1 week, I'll be 20 weeks. And I will have an appointment coming up where I got to do the anatomy scan where they show the full scan of the baby and any issues or defects and like just a full thing, which is like, I'm excited. I'm very excited because we just been listening to heartbeats. And I'll be honest, we got tired of listening to heartbeats, okay? So there's that. Also, don't judge me. Yes, I wash all the colors together. I sure do. I wash all the damn colors together because honestly, I don't have a lot of white clothes. But if I do have something that needs to be washed separately, I wash it separately. But I put all that shit in there together. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be real. You know what I'm saying? Because when I was looking at vlog ideas, y'all, I was looking at vlog ideas to just have an idea. All of them so fucking aesthetic. I can't do it. Maybe because I'm not used to it, but also my breath was tired. But also I feel like, I don't know, that's not how I live every day. Like, it's not. So yeah, the best I could do is give angles, serve angles, and just do what I have to do. Really, I just want the house to be cleaned up more than it was. Because I feel like I might have been going into a minor depression. And overall, my life is okay. But when I deal with fibromyalgia on top of the pregnancy, it's a combo that I really don't want to have again. It's like the same way when I have my period in the fibromyalgia. I don't like that shit either. Let me know down below. Are any of you guys first-time moms too? Or hell, even if you're a mom already, I mean, just let me know. I'm actually curious. I need to see what audience I'm going to build on my channel. I actually want to share the pillow that I have, if anyone cares to know, but I'm gonna say it anyway because why not? I have this pillow by Mom Cozy. Yeah, by Mom Cozy. It's a really big pregnancy pillow. And can I just say, I honestly should have got one of these sooner. I should have gotten one of these pillows sooner, even before getting pregnant, okay? Because with the fibro, sometimes even just trying to go to sleep is a hassle. But this pillow really give a lot of support. Like, I'm actually surprised. At first, I wasn't sure if I liked it, but I'm like, okay, no, I actually do like it. And they have a bunch of different colors. I got pink because I like pink. Oh, I like this one too. This one's really good. I like this pillow too. You can put it between your legs when you sleep. Okay, the bed is pretty much made up, I guess. Cleared the clothes off the ottoman. Need to finish clearing the dresser. Then I can also sweep the floor. Laundry, I'm gonna have to do another day. Like, I literally started this shit and then I stopped. So hopefully this weekend I'm gonna try to do the laundry, put it up, and then I might vlog while I'm doing that too. Vlog, I guess. Talk about life or whatever. And then I want to also finish clearing the dresser over here. Here's my bag. I use this bag. It's Teddy Blake, and I actually have like a showcase on my main channel, but I think I'm gonna redo another video on this channel. But if you want to know more about the Teddy Blake bag, which is so beautiful, then let me know down below in the comments. I'm thinking about doing a video about it. It was a gift from the company itself, which I'm so grateful for. So yeah, I actually like this bag, but it's big and heavy. But that was my fault. I chose the big, heavy one, okay? A little ultrasound. That's my first ever ultrasound, a little baby. So I can't wait. I gotta probably take you guys with me to the anatomy appointment so y'all could see, but he's so cute, so little, so cute. I finally cleaned off the dresser, so yay. I actually really like these dressers. I got these dressers from IKEA, and luckily we have a pretty large primary bedroom because the landlord used to have it as a garage before he changed it to a bedroom. So kind of have a pretty big size bedroom, and you know, I think these dressers are wow, this is dirty. But I think these dressers are perfect for the size of our bedroom. I'm the one that picked them out and planned it. So I'm like, okay, I did that. When I look at it, like, I did that. It's crazy how dust can just, it's crazy how fast everything could get dusty. And you know what they say? They say that mothers get this instinct in the last part of pregnancy where they want to nest and clean their house. Can that instinct come now? Can it come now? Because I'm tired. I want this house clean. It just takes so much work and time and fatigue. Gotta be energy. Our bed is also from IKEA. I think these are both matching sets, the dresser and the bed. It's called Mom, M-A-L-M. But it's simple, it's easy, you know, that's why we chose it, because it's the simplicity. So, but it's a king size bed, and then, like I said, the two dressers, they are also from IKEA. It's a great combo. It looks really good. And we actually had our furniture for How long has it been now? Way over a year, so it lasts too. Pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Overall, the room looks pretty good, Okay, I'm gonna have to take a break because I'm getting really tired, but really I just gotta mop the room. What else I gotta do? Mop the room, put up a couple of more things. But overall, it's so much better than it was. Okay, so much better than it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the room after I take a little break. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little vlog, you know, just talk about my pregnancy, giving a quick 19-week update. And then stay tuned because I actually need to organize my chest. I have a chest of purses and I thought it'd be fun to like go through and show my collection of purses or something. So if you're interested in that too, just, I don't know, comment down below, I guess. I need engagement, so comment down below. But anyways, I'm done with this video. I'm gonna rest for a moment. And oh yeah, hear me breathing. I'm tired. My baby got me tired. Okay, bye.